morph into a T-Rex, too.
Wow! Well, Morphle's scared.
Don't worry, Morphle. I think it's almost time for Brother Time to zap us back to our own time. Look! We're back!
Yeah!
Thank you, Brother Time. Using your magic pet powers, we went to the past and saw lots of dinosaurs.
Yeah! Thank you!
Did you hear that, Yarn?
Yeah, they saw a lot of dinosaurs.
Yes, and
They had a lot of fun.
this means we can go to the past as well.
Oh, good idea, Stein.
And in the past, we can gather dinosaurs to create our own Dino Army.
Wow! I always wanted to be a general, Stein.
What's that? Oh no! Stop it, bandits! We need to follow them, Morphle.
Keep up, Yarn.
Uh-oh, I can't see them anymore.
Morphle cannot too.
I know! Morphle, morph into a search dog!
Look, Yarn.
They are so cute and little.
They will be the first members of our Dino Army.
I don't think they want to join us, Stein.
Come on, guys. It's gonna be great. Ah! Ah!
Bandits!
Oh no! The bandits are in trouble! Morphle, morph into a Gallimimus so we can catch up with them!
Yeah!
Now morph into a T-Rex to scare the Velociraptors away! Bandits, the age of the dinosaurs is very dangerous.
It really is, Stein.
I guess you're...
Dinosaur!
Oh no! A pteranodon has taken the bandits! Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl!
I can fly.
Oh,
Oh, oh, ah, whoa.
Morphle, morph into a triceratops so you can pin down its tail!
phew. Thank you.
Stein, behind you.
Uh-oh.
Help us!
T-Rex! And the Velociraptors!
Can't you morph into something?
Tricycle!
Oh no!
I have an idea. Morphle, morph into a big Argentinosaurus! Woo! We're safe here.
Great.
I love you, Morphle. Yeah.
Now we only have to wait until Brother Time's hourglass runs out of sand, and we will be sent back to our own time.
Look!
We're back.
Yeah.
Maybe the Dino Army wasn't such a good plan after all.
No.
Mila, Morphle, look at this new toy I got.
Oh! Ah!
Huh? Morphle, morph into a toy dinosaur.
Tumbling test tubes. I accidentally dropped this life ray that I was going to present at the National Science Conference, and it zapped your toy dinosaurs to life. But it broke, and I can't zap the dinosaurs back again. Mila, can you look after them while I fix my life ray?
Of course, Professor Rashid. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun together.
Great! I'll be back as soon as I can.
Okay, toy dinosaurs, while we wait for the professor to return, let's play a game. T-Rex? Was fun, but now I'm tired.
Yeah, fun. Hungry.
Yeah, we should get something to eat. Oh, I know. Let's have a picnic. Yay!
Ah, there we go. That took longer than expected, but it's fixed now. Let's go back to the toy dinosaurs right away. I hope nothing bad has happened while I was gone. Oh, tumbling test tubes.
Professor. Do you want to join the picnic? We've been having great fun.
Thank you, Mila, but I think it's time to zap the dinosaurs back into toys. Steady. Oh.
Professor Rashid, I don't think the toy dinosaurs want to go back to being toys. They've been having much more fun as living dinosaurs.
Yes, Mila, but the city is no place for dinosaurs.
Oh, I have an idea. Maybe Zookeeper Kenneth has a place for them.
Wow! What's this? Are those giant toy dinosaurs?
Yeah, Professor Rashid accidentally zapped them with his life ray. Do you have a place for the toy dinosaurs to live, Zookeeper Kenneth?
Well, the zoo only has one place for big animals, and the elephants already live there. But during my travels, I think I spotted an uninhabited island where the toy dinosaurs could live.
Let's go there right away, Morphle. There it is! You seem to have fun already. This island is a great home for you, but we need to go home again as well. Bye, toy dinosaurs!
To celebrate the National Day of Dinosaurs, Professor Rashid has helped the city to organize a special Dinosaur Race!
Wow, that's so cool! Let's join too, Morphle. Morph into a T-Rex.
But wait, we have another contestant. The winner of the race gets this beautiful award. Is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's compete too, Yorn.
Yeah! Yeah!
Let's win this race.
Oh no! The bandits are here and they are cheating to win!
No fair!
Look, ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner!
Stealing dinosaurs, huh? Not in my city.
Congratulations to the winners!
We didn't win, Morphle, but at least we have a fair winner.
Wow!
I wonder how the toy dinosaurs are doing, Morphle. Morph into a pterodactyl.
Great! You are here to save me. I'm stuck on this island, and it's filled with giant monsters.
Those aren't monsters. They're the toy dinosaurs.
No, wait! It will eat you!
They're not scary. They are my toys. Professor Rashid's life ray zapped them to life.
Wow! Really?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too.
This is amazing!
Now, let's play.
Goodbye, friends!